Hi, I'm Betsy. Welcome to Jobs Omega Video Resume Builder. Employment just got easier. It's time to take your job application strategy to the next level. A well-made video resume can really set you prioritize for your next job search. I would like to share some simple tips to make an ideal video resume to get you hired within no time. Create a short script based on your resume. Keep it short and simple, preferably for less than 1 minute. Then do some trials, be prepared and confident. Camera. It's okay to take your budgeted mobile or laptop camera, but place it in a good position and make sure the video is bright and the voice quality is good. Background. Before you start shooting, pick up a nice location. Look at the frame and make sure there is no background noise. Let's see some rules to be followed. These are some crucial guidelines that you should be aware of to avoid the basic mistakes while creating your video resume. Dress properly as if you are going to an in-person interview. Do look at the camera, do not look around or down. Do not speak fast. 60 to 90 seconds would be adequate. Keep professional language with industry-specific terms. Have a nice smile on your face. Be confident and positive. What all details should be included in the video resume? Every resume is different, and that is a good part. You just have to follow the right format. Introduction. The main function of the resume is to introduce yourself to the potential employer. First, start with your full name, your expertise, and your educational background. Experience summary. Then talk about your important accomplishment and what you have exactly done during your tenure. If you're a fresher, do not worry. You can talk about your internship and your achievement during your academic life. Standout attributes. Tell briefly about your skills, hobbies, and your interests. Make sure your viewers can see your personality through it. Conclusion. This section is small, but it has to be strong. Make sure you restate or summarize why should a company hire you. Be direct and focused with your language. It's all about the ideal video resume. Don't worry, just give it a try. It's gonna be easy. Just remember, keep a smile throughout your video. Believe me, a smile can really boost up your confidence and your positive energy. Register to jobsomega.com and get simply hired.